this video, I'm going to share with you how and why to use clove essential oil. We love to use it for oral health, fighting the crud, brain health, skin, bones, muscles, and so much more. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
It used to be that when I thought of clove, I thought of those little dried up things that you push into a ham and use to hold the pineapple ring and maraschino cherry. Boy, oh boy, did I underestimate clove. Did you know that clove is one of the highest antioxidants? As a dried spice, it measures 300,000 on the ORAC antioxidant scale. And as an essential oil, it measures over 1 million. Just to put this in perspective, blueberries measure around 5,000 on the ORAC scale. And we have been told for years to eat them because they're high in antioxidants. So now we know that clove is packed with powerful antioxidants, primarily due to its high concentration of compounds like eugenol. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, neutralize free radicals, and potentially contribute to various health benefits, such as boosting the immune system and reducing the risk of chronic disease. So how do you use clove essential oil? I include clove essential oil in my daily oil shot. Just a shot glass with essential oils and topped off with water. Reach out if you want to talk about my must-have oils in my daily oil shot. Let's dive in. Oral health. It has been said that the mouth is the window to our health, and it's true. If our mouth is unhealthy, chances are so are other parts of our body. This means it's super important that we take care of our oral health. From everyday brushing and flossing to oil pulling, regular cleanings and checkups, the key is to think natural. So many dental procedures and products are truly harmful to our health. Due to its analgesic and antiseptic properties, clove essential oil is one of the most popular oils for oral health. It is used in toothpaste and mouthwashes, as well as oil pulling and for pain relief. It contains high levels of antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which contribute to its potential health benefits, such as fighting oxidative stress and scavenging free radicals in the body. As wonderful as this oil is, clove is one of the hottest oils and should always be used with care. When we were traveling in Ireland, Tom got a toothache. I told him to use some of our On Guard protective blend because it has clove in it and it will numb and ease the pain. He didn't believe me and he wanted to go to a pharmacy to buy an over-the-counter remedy. I totally understand because he was in pain and were raised to believe that pharmaceuticals are the answer. So off we went. We stopped in a small town and went into a pharmacy. I asked the pharmacist what she had for a toothache and she directed me to the shelf and said, "Just grab some clove oil." You should have seen Tom's face. Instead of getting the clove oil, he insisted on buying an over-the-counter remedy. He applied it and had little relief from the toothache. I said to him, "Are you open to trying a little On Guard with clove in it, like the pharmacist recommended?" Tom agreed to try it, and he simply wet his finger from the top of the bottle and applied it to the area. And boom, within minutes, his pain was easing. Essential oils to the rescue. For maintaining oral health, we put a bit of clove on a toothbrush with toothpaste, our natural doTERRA toothpaste, and brush as normal. For spot treatment, whether it's pain or most oral issues, we apply a bit of clove oil to the area of concern. Fighting the crud. Clove is packed with powerful antioxidants, primarily due to its high concentration of compounds like eugenol. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, neutralize free radicals, and potentially contribute to various health benefits, such as boosting the immune system and reducing the risk of chronic disease. Clove essential oil is part of our force field oils to stay strong and fight off the crud. Clove essential oil is always part of our daily routine, both internally and diluted in a roller applied to the bottoms of our feet. Some studies suggest that certain compounds found in clove, like eugenol, might exhibit anti-cancer properties in lab settings by affecting cancer cells' growth or inducing cell death. However, more research is needed. Brain health. Clove essential oil contains compounds like eugenol, known for their potential to support brain health. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cognitive decline. While preliminary studies indicate that clove oil might have some neuroprotective effects, more comprehensive research is necessary to conclusively establish its efficacy in improving memory, preventing memory loss, or managing conditions like Alzheimer's. Brain health is another reason that clove is in my daily oil shot. Studies show that it can help with memory loss, which we are all concerned about as we age. To use clove oil for brain health, make it part of your daily routine by diluting it and applying it to the bottoms of your feet and taking it internally in a capsule or oil shot. Skin, bones, muscles, and more. Due to clove's antioxidant, antiviral, and antifungal properties, I reach for clove when I have a skin issue. Studies have shown that clove essential oil's antimicrobial properties make it a popular remedy for various skin conditions like warts, skin infections, and ulcers. Its potent properties, including eugenol, exhibit antifungal and antibacterial effects that may help combat infection, including conditions like athlete's foot. However, more research is needed. Remember, it's important to dilute clove oil properly to avoid skin sensitivity. Additionally, studies have shown that clove essential oil has potent anti-inflammatory properties due to compounds like eugenol, which may aid in reducing nerve inflammation and muscle degeneration. Its antioxidant effects might also contribute to combating oxidative stress associated with conditions like osteoporosis. To use clove oil for skin, muscles, and nerves, take it internally and dilute with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil and apply to the bottoms of feet, an area of concern. As promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional link to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I am so grateful that you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found value in the information, then go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications or whatever it is. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backwards and live younger, longer. Take good care.